Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Biological Sciences. Those who are new here, I would like to tell you that this channel is all about biology and nature. Today, I bring you a complete course on cell biology, and on every Wednesday, I'll bring you a video on this course. And if you want to learn this course, please subscribe to my channel for the notification of the upcoming videos. So, what is cell biology? Cell biology is the study which deals with the structure, function, and molecular organization, growth, reproduction, and genetics of the cell. So, why do we need to study cells? Study This study was done to understand the general structure, to have the general knowledge of the cell structure and its functions, as well as we can also understand the particular cell type, not the general cell structure but different specific cell structures, specific cell functions. So this is to have the knowledge so that we can carry out this knowledge for further treatment or further modification, for further research also. So cell biology is really very important. So what is cell? A cell is a basic unit of organization of any living organism. Like you can see in this diagram, or we can think of any living organism. In this diagram you can say of a human. First, cells made up the tissues, and tissues made up the organs, and the organs makes the organ system, and the organ system makes the organism. So this is something like cell becomes the very basic unit here of any living organism. All living organism, whether it is unicellular like bacteria or multicellular like plants, animals, humans, they are all made up of cells, right? Next. So there are three avenues to study cell. Three avenues means ways. We can say ways, right? Now, what are those three ways which are used to study cell? That is classical cytology, cell physiology, and cell biology. Let's see what are these. So classical cytology is a study in which we deal, or we can say we study the structure of cell using light microscope, right? So we study basically what structure using the microscope. Which microscope? Light microscope, right? Next is cell physiology. So in cell physiology, we study the biochemistry, biophysics, and the function of cell. So here actually we are studying how the cell is functioning. What are the function of the organelles which are present in this inside the cell? What are the function of the biomolecules which are present inside the cell? So we are going to study the functions of the cell using biochemistry and biophysics of the cell. Next is cell biology. So in cell biology, we study the molecules which are present inside the cell organelles, or using these molecules or macromolecules, the cell is formed or cell organelles are formed. So what are these molecules? These are proteins, carbohydrate and lipids. So we study here the cell in terms of molecules, that is cell biology. Now I hope you understood the three ways or three types of study we can do for the cell. So I hope you understood this lecture. So please like this lecture if you understood, if you really understood how the concept are interpreted here. Please share with your friends and please subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you.